hold, हाँ, hold it, हाँ.
वाह, क्या मेला लगा है? Hey, Nico. Sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
देखो
Welcome.
भाई हम आ गए. He convinced me to become a Sunday painter.
Welcome, man. Welcome. आइए.
चलिए, चलो.
Good morning, respected principal, headmistress, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Arnav Das, and I am representing my team, Vision Greenery. And today, on this very occasion, we all have come in front of you to share our thoughts on the World Environment Day. As we all know, our environment is very, very necessary for us to live in harmony. But without environment, we all are as good as dead. So moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conserve it. It is quite simple, when we conserve environment as much as humanly possible. So our team has decided that our title already states, Vision Greenery, turn mosquitoes and other some sources of energy away from houses. So in this day, we would like to plant these plants. Thank you, everyone.
Day is celebrated globally on 5th of June every year. World Environment Day is the UN's most important day. It is a day on which we spread awareness about
Happy World Environmental Day to everyone present here. World Environmental Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. The main objective of celebrating this day is to spread awareness about the environment. So through 1972 by the UN General Assembly, India first hosted Environment Day in 2011. It was the first time for India to celebrate its conservation. It is celebrated with great joy in more than 100 countries. And the main aim is to spread more and more.
By the United States, UN to raise awareness of the importance of nature. The United Nations General Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972. Ever since 1974, theme of World Environment Day was only one word. As we all know, Earth is only one and we have only one life.
Environment is a very essential component to sustain life on the earth. In what sense, the biotic and abiotic components of nature is together for the environment. But due to
Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It aims to raise global awareness about our environment. The celebration of World Environment Day provides the people with the opportunity
Every year on 5th June globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for a cleaner environment and conservation of nature. It is quite simple as when we conserve the environment.
celebrated on 5 June every year. Its aim is to raise global awareness about World Environment. The celebration of World Environment Day provides people with an opportunity to come forward and know the reasons behind the deterioration of our environment.
to speak on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year.
It is celebrated on 8th June of every year. It was first started in 1974 and was created by UN National Assembly.
Celebrated annually on 5th June and it is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. It was first held in 1973 and Environment Day. World Environment Day is observed by around 143 countries across the world on 5th June every year.
by giving this opportunity. It is only when the people in the government certainly equal to perceive the environment matches climate change. World Environment Day has set to represent our group assignment from as Environmental Day. As we are celebrating the World Environmental Day, today we have brought a golden flag display.
Environment Day. As you know, Environment Day is celebrated every year in 5th of June, and people around the world celebrate this day by getting flags.
And all my dear friends, I am Rahul Gupta. I am here to represent and explain the Women Environment Day and our school I am
It's about presentation made by my Unity 9. So, as we all know, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. It is celebrated to spread awareness.
Greetings to everyone present here. I am Sita from class 9. Today I am representing my group, roll number starting from 46 to 50, and the group members are Smita, Sonali, Sonia, Suki. On this week, spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment.
Start planting and look this side also sometimes, no?
This one we have only 20
दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू
आप गए नहीं? आप तो 5 मिनट में जाने वाले थे।
मौसम का है मेहमान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू
ये क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
बेटा, बतख और केला।
मेढक
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चकल क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चकल ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले से
thumbnail only.
हंसी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले से
No, I came behind, I think.
इस कदर हैरान तू।
ये क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। तुझ में अगर प्यास है बारिश का घर। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। भी पास है रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। संग संग तेरे आकाश है तू धूप है छम से बिखर। संग संग तेरे आकाश है तू धूप है छम से बिखर। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है। चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां। वह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू।
सिद्धि हाथ और करना।
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू। तेरी तो मंजिल है वही तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू।
Tago over trenching rope is good, man.
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू।
Good, good.
मौसम का है
Planted.
मेहमान
That is neem, na? Thank you.
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू।
बच्चों 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 कैसी है पेंटिंग? देखिए देखो
अति सुंदर सर।
तेरी तो मंजिल है वही तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर